going on, YouTube? It's Ray Stocks. I made over 12,000 this week. It's my first week this year hitting over 12,000. But I'm gonna show you all the plays I got into and things like that. We're gonna look at see the market going. And yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna show you how I made 12,000 this week. So let's check these gains out. We got 26%, $165. This new right here, I got 25%, $4,400. 17%, $3,100. 130%, 90%, 185%, 13,000. 15%, 2.9K. We've been killing it this week trading. 14%, $75. My boy Stez. The video hit it for 25%, 162. That was a lotto call for earnings. 22%. 24%, 4.3K. We killed Google. Y'all been I signal all these into my day trade section. I have a day trade section, and that's where I signal all my plays out. Right here, I'll tell you what day trades I'm getting in. We also are teaching credit now. We're teaching credit in my Discord. We got swing trades. Last swing trade I got into was Berkshire on the 14th. Hit it for 157%. Yeah, I hit it for 157%. Killed it. I made like 1.5 on that. Let's see if I can find it. Right here, 1.5K, 135% on Berkshire. I'm swing trade. That's my swing trade. It's been hard to swing trade now with all this news going on in the market. But yeah, we being killed. I made over 10,000 this week, and I see all of them day trade section right here. So we got a beginner's training section, educational videos, want to learn. We have the charting candles, things like that. We have the terminology here. We're teaching credit now. I've been going live. So I also been going live on Discord, and also been typing it out in my chat. So that way when I'm talking out the plays I'm about to get in, I'm also typing it out as well. So that way if you can't hear me on the voice, you at work, you just got your phone and you want to just see what I'm getting into, you can do it that way. Or if you just want to throw some of the headphones in, listen to me on live trade, you get into trades as well. So yeah, that's what we did. Let's see this week, right? We're gonna look at SPY. So SPY, let's look at the overall market now. SPY right now, let me turn these indicators off so y'all can see more of a clear trend right here. Okay. So when I chart, I don't like all those indicators in the way. I like to look at it just clear. Okay, so we see all-time highs was here at 689. And you see right here, it held up support at 653. So in order for us to really kind of be bearish, or wouldn't necessarily say bearish, but on a more of a downtrend, we got to lose this 653. We lose 653, we got room down to 626, which is about a 200 moving average. We get below the 200 moving average, then we got room down to this 614. I look like we got a nice little, the RSI bounced a little bit. Volume kind of got weak. SPY above 668 might be cool, but you want to see it really go past this 689. We gotta lose this. I don't know if we're gonna lose it. We might lose it, we might not. It depends. I think we might lose it. We might lose it. QQQ, same thing. We got all-time highs here at 636. Let me turn all this off. You can't see. All right. We got all-time highs here at 638, and then we gotta lose this 583 for it to fall. And then below 557, 200 moving average below 552. You got room down to 552. Let's see the fear and greed index. How we looking? It's extreme fear right now. Let's see how the data looking this week. This week data we have PPI, consumer confidence. Pending home sales. Delayed Thanksgiving. Market closed Thursday. PMI Friday. So I think the only 2 days you might be able to catch a trade is Monday or Tuesday because the market is closed Thursday, and I feel like Thanksgiving Eve is gonna be kind of slow. And then after Thanksgiving, so really only Monday, Tuesday you might see really like for sure day to trade this week. Cause yeah, we are extreme fear. So this is the time you need to be buying right here. Whenever there's extreme fear, you want to find good companies at a dip, 50% or more will be preferred, or you want to see SPY go under 20%. Any one of those, you could be buying shares here. Want to get some cheap leap options, I'll be buying in. We are at extreme fear, so that means everybody is fearful to buy. So this is when you need to be buying. Have cash flow to the side. This is why it's good to have cash flow on the side, because when it's extreme fear, that's when you should be buying. You want to be able to have extra money you had to the side to be able to dispense into the market, whether it's shares, leaps, or whatever you want to do. Average down on your plays. Let's see this. Look back at SPY QQQ. So if you go here, we are technically right now we're here at what, 659. So if we go here, right now we're only a 4% drop from highs. QQQ is only about same. Well, about 7%. 7% down. So SPY is 4, almost 5, and QQQ is 7% down. So you want to see these down 20% or more. But you want to look for good leap options for times like this extreme. For go to FI. Where's this one? This stock right here. This will be kind of like a good buy. Oh, dang, went down though. Wow. Wow, this is it's a good example right here. And this is wow. All right, let's see how much this dropped. So this is a 74% drop, almost 75%. So this is what you want to look for in good companies. I really don't know too much about this company, but I know they did fall after earnings. I'm gonna have to look into them. In fact, we can look at their balance sheet here today. Wow. Let's look at their balance sheet. So you'll go to Yahoo Finance. So we're gonna look at Pfizer, I believe, like you said, balance sheet, and we're gonna see if this stock is. Let's see. May have some action. You can go to financials. Let's see if this sounds good too. Revenue increased every year. Cost revenue. Look at their balance sheet. Ain't really that much to it there. Cash flow statement. Might be a good buy. But yeah, if you want to join the Discord, you feel me? I made over, this is proof, 4.4K, 25%, 17%, 3.1K, 13K, 130%, 15%, 2.9K. If you want to join the chat, I signal all my plays out in the day trade section. I'll tell you all my plays. I'll tell you when I'm getting in, when I'm getting out, what percentage I'm at. And yeah, you all do it from your phone. That you need either the laptop or you need your phone or cellular device. I'll do everything with you. If you want to join the chat, the link will be in the description below. We'll see y'all next time.